Hi, welcome to another episode of Trini Bites. Today I'm going to make some stir-fry pork with vegetables, mixed vegetables. I have all the ingredients here. As you can see, this is the pork I cut in strips. I also have some seasoning here which is optional, you don't have to put it. It has bandania and it has garlic, onions. I also have 1 tin of corn, baby corn, and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch with water chestnuts, 1 can, a small can. I have my veggies here, which is you have celery stalks, you have Christophene, 3 peppers, together with broccoli and carrots. Also, I have the Hoisin sauce, the soy sauce, and oyster sauce. You can use how much you think when you taste it and see. So I'm going to start by, getting this thing ready, the pork. I'm going to get it fried in the wok, and I will add all the ingredients in as we go along. Now you can put a piece of hot pepper if you want, but normally you can add pepper as you go along. So let's start. I'm going to hot the wok and get going. So I put 2 tablespoons of oil. I just try that to see if it gets hot. What I normally do, this pork is going to cook good, at least for 10 minutes. Doesn't matter what, it's gonna cook properly. So I normally add some water in it. It also steam while it's cooking. It's gonna cook. This is 5 minutes of cooking. I like to cook it for 10 minutes, as I said before. So after 10 minutes, put it aside. So what I like to do is to steam the vegetables a little bit, so you can cook. And I wash the wok because I don't use too much oil when I'm cooking, so I don't want it to smell burn or taste burn. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is add the veggies in. Let's add everything. Stir them up. Let it steam. I like to use the colored pepper, so I use red, green, and yellow. So it looks nice. The covering down and let it steam. Steam for a few minutes. Been steaming for 3 minutes. I'm just going to add a dust of salt. I already fried the pork with salt. You can always see how much you need. A lot of people don't need too much salt. Steaming nicely here. Cover it down for another few minutes. So it's been 7 minutes. Some of them like it crunchy. What I'm going to do now is add the pork in. I'll mix it up. Oh, I wish you guys could smell that more. I'm adding the oyster sauce in. Soy sauce. And the Hoisin sauce. few things here. Gotta get cornstarch ready. Some water in. Mix the cornstarch in. Throw it in. And that's it. Pork ready. Ready to go, ready to eat. So this is the finished product. Have a taste. You know, I always like to taste. Taste finished. Believe me, try this recipe. You will not buy any food anymore. Cook it at home. Very, very tasty and easy to make. 15 minutes and you're done. Don't forget to watch our new series, Liquid Therapy. So thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.